This is my other account. We're playing Dangerous Horse Ride. Now we're going in right now. Dog, I'm lagging. Okay, let's spawn our thing. Spawn our horse. Put in there. Myself, I go myself. I need to reach the end. I got 3 life in myself. And exactly. Damn, how is that guy fast? Does look different. I wanna skip. Look at them. They go in here. No! What is happening right now? I didn't post any video, but I'm busy. No, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. No, I'm dead. No, I'm dead. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's spawn another one. I can drive. Follow me, Bacon. Get inside here. Oh, what is happening to my... Can I slow down? Oh, it's slowing down. Everyone, get in my horse. Get in my back horse. Nah, I don't need it. Oh, what is happening? I don't want to... Yeah, there's no chef lab. I'm using the dog. I could just only see the rope dog. Perfect. I don't even know. Just from here to there. I go left. I'm gonna do the guys. What are we gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. No, not me. I'm better now. Arrow is literally a circle. I think it does a shortcut to really go backwards. Yo, we're going higher. Going higher. Oh, look at the arrow. Oh, we're here. Yes, sir. Oh, goodness. Oh, there's guy in there. What is happening to him right now? It's a Bacon. Why is he slowing down? Go. That's a different horse, by the way. That's a different horse. There's a black on me. I have a brown horse. I don't even have money. And I only have 445. Oh, and increasing to 460. The checkpoint gave me $15. This sucks. Condition in this video it's very hard. Yo. Good. No, I'm just better. I'm better and I'm stronger. Yes. Whee! Oh no. Storm. Sandstorm. Everything sucks. Dog. No, give me right now. I like this stupid because I don't anything for me. I can go to the no. Yes. Survive. Jump. Yes. That didn't do me, dog. I'm already dead in 1 second. Oh no. Jump! Yes, I'm good, 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 I'm good. Yes. Jump! No, no, no. This happening to me right now. I almost fall to my death. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Racist is this dog? It's happening to me right now. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Get the hell out of here. I'm going circle and circle. Virtual. Guys, how many minutes about this? This is harder. Not from other videos. Take 10 minutes on my mastering. This is 1 hour. Jump! Okay, we're good. 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 Jump! Okay, we're good. 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 Jump! We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're going for the bridge, guys. Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. Dodging some holes. It's easy. This is a piece of cake. Yo. So, look at that. 60 max speed. Dang, you have a white horse. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Look at my horse at the middle. I'm going first person right now because it's hard. Look at the hell, dog. I'm cooked right now. You fire bus bro. Look at this first bus. My parents in the main inventory. You have a white horse and shot me from the back. Bro, there was a passenger in there. It's a waste of money. You should buy. We're in here. What is this guys? Damn, we're in the main city. We're in the city. Oh no. Oh no, bro. Oh no. Oh, jump. I just clear it. Oh no. Oh no. Woo! No. I don't want to die. It's lava, bro. Oh, there's another person here. Full speed ahead. Yeah, this guy's. I didn't even know. We're going fast, boy. Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. Watch my video, guys. Yo, this guy's. No, it's jumping harder. Oh no. Well, my game's working right now. I think this rock gonna fall. No! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, bro! How? Yo, I was going in the third person, but I almost died to a goddamn fire. Oh, it's gonna fall, right? Yeah, rocks is falling here. I literally said it first. Bro, it's so fast. Can I just jump? The lava there is falling right now. We're good, guys. We're good. I'm good, and then no worry about me. Not worry about me. Okay, worry about me because I'm already here. Jump! Better. Jump! Yes, sir. Oh no! I'm all recording right now because My family is out of the house. I have no idea where my sister is. Because I just left the house. Oh no. This is not good. This is absolutely not good. Dog, I'm cooked. Dog, I'm cooked. Dog, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay. Okay, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm a little bit of speed right now because we're going for it. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Lower the volume because it's copyright. Oh no. I don't want to die. Play a game once and movie. Oh no. Oh no, bro. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Increase the speed a little bit. Dang, I'm dead, bruh. Dang, I'm dead, bruh. Oh, I'm here. Slow down. We don't want to be risked right now. Oh, we're good. Yo. No. Dang it. I died. What is happening to me? Why, bro? What is happening to me right now? What is happening to me? Dang it. But guys, what is happening to my games? Okay. Bye guys. Bye bye.